YouTuber turned chart topper KSI is one of the UK's biggest stars right now. But the multimillionaire rapper says he'd much rather stay home and drink his own brand Prime energy drink while doing a jigsaw than go wild at the Brits. KSI, known to his friends as JJ, admits he's a total geek when it comes to just relaxing. He reveals, "I love puzzles and games. I love 500 or 1,000-piece jigsaws, just with random pictures like London Bridge or something." KSI, whose energy drink has taken the UK by storm, gave up alcohol after last year's Brits, and reckons he is much happier now he no longer has to live up to his hip-hop lifestyle. The rapper, who topped the charts in 2001 with album All Over the Place, reveals, "Drinking changed me as a person. I would do things I wouldn't do sober. I needed to figure out what was important to me and who I am. It took me a while to separate JJ and KSI. I was trying to fill a void with fame and success, trying to live a certain lifestyle, like an old-school rapper with girls all around me throwing money around and going clubbing. I had money and fame, but also a lot of baggage. I realized that's not me, that what matters is having a purpose, friends and family, being fit and healthy, working hard." The boxer and Gogglebox star released Warts and All Prime video documentary KSI, in real life on Thursday. He has also dropped new track Voices, featuring US singer Oliver Tree. But despite all that, KSI still doesn't reckon he is particularly gifted. "I don't think I'm talented at all," he says. "I've just worked hard. I believe everything is down to belief, focus, determination and hard work, not talent." And assuring fans he is only just warming up, he adds, "I'm addicted to the unknown. I have lots I want to achieve. The idea of staying still scares me,